Well, the easiest way to work out your costs on Amazon is to use the FBA fee calculator. So let's start with a product on Amazon.com, and let's do vitamin C serum. All right, so now we're going to pretend that one of these is our products, okay? So if I hit select, so you'll notice because of the limited number of people that are currently using FBA, the default on Amazon Australia is enter your product dimensions and enter your shipping weight so they can give you the information about what FBA will cost as well. So that is the default. That's an interesting thing that Amazon has put together, and it's much different to the other platforms where it doesn't have that. But let's just assume instead we don't need that information, and instead we're just going to go after this product, which is fulfilled by Amazon. It's an FBA product. So our item price, I think, is $30 or $29.99, and our shipping costs, so the cost of getting the product from your manufacturer into FBA warehouses, typically a good guesstimate of that when you're just doing this is $1 an item. And the cost of goods, let's say that it's 25% of our selling price, which is going to give us $7.50. All right, so that's all the information we're going to give Amazon. We're going to give them the price, the RRP, the selling price on Amazon, the cost to get the product into Amazon's warehouse from our factory, and the cost of the good itself. We can calculate that out, and now we can see all of the fees that Amazon's going to charge us. So here's the selling on Amazon's fees. That's like the commission that you pay to Amazon. So in this particular instance, it is $2.70. What's that? Approximately 9% of our total, 8 or 9% of our total is commissions payable to Amazon to sell. And that's indicative, that's very, very normal. Depending on the category, anywhere from 7 to 12% is normal. Fulfilled by Amazon fees, that's what Amazon will charge you to send that product out. So our fulfillment costs $4.04. That includes our own cost to get the product from our factory into Amazon. Cost of goods, seller proceeds, gives us our net profit and our net margin as well. So Amazon will work all of that out for you, and it's a really good idea where before you go ahead and order your product, of course, to run your product through this so you get a good idea of your product's profit potential. That is definitely worth doing. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.